In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a category in WooCommerce. We're going to do this entirely through your WordPress dashboard, using a small piece of custom CSS. By the end, you'll be able to hide a specific product category from your shop or other parts of your site without deleting anything or changing your products. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the main back-end area where you manage your site. Once you're logged in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the option labeled Appearance, then hover your mouse over it. A submenu will appear. From that submenu, click on Editor. WordPress will now load the site editor for your active theme. This might take a few seconds, so just wait for the editor interface to fully appear. When the editor has loaded, look again to the left panel inside the editor. You'll see an option called Styles. Go ahead and click on Styles. As soon as you do that, a new sidebar will slide in from the left. This is where you can control the global look and feel of your site. On the top right corner of this new style sidebar, there's a More Options icon, which looks like 3 vertical dots. Click on that icon. A small drop-down menu will open. From that menu, choose Additional CSS. This is the section where you can paste custom CSS code that will modify how your site looks, without touching your theme files directly. You'll now see a field where you can type or paste CSS. In that field, paste the same code that is shown in the video or in the linked example. If you need more time, pause the video so you can carefully copy the code. In the code, you'll notice something like .category slug or a similar placeholder. That part represents the CSS class of the category you want to hide. Replace that placeholder with the actual class for your specific WooCommerce category. Make sure you only change the slug part and keep the dot at the beginning. After you've made your changes, look back to the far left panel of the editor. At the bottom, you should see a button that says something like Review One Change. Click that button. A pop-up will appear showing you a summary of the changes you're about to apply. Take a quick look to confirm everything looks correct, then click Save at the bottom right of that pop-up. Once it's saved, your chosen WooCommerce category will now be hidden according to the CSS you added.